Hi everyone, my name is Sydney. I live in North Brunswick, about 5 minutes away from Rutgers, New Brunswick. What I want to do before I get my MSW is that I want to work with children or teenagers with trauma. And I work in retail at the moment. Something that inspired me is Elle Woods, but Legally Blonde, because everyone with her family members didn't believe she can do it, and then she got the high GPA in law school, and she proved everybody wrong. So I really, and that's how a lot of my family was with Rutgers and with school. And something interesting about me, fun fact, I have a small I was small stutter, so that would be my thing.